Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable inline editing on your Power Tables using table interactivity actions for a condition. So in this example, whenever my users click this button, it will enable them to be able to edit the fields within this Power Table. So here we go. They click it, and now our Power Table is able to be edited inline. So let me show you how we can do this. And here you can even, they can choose from a drop-down menu. So really cool. And then that is updated in Salesforce as well. So let's show you how you can do this. Of course, you can always make your table have active inline editing whenever you would like. So, going to each column that you would like to allow editing, you can just switch that on, and that will allow them to be able to edit it. But if you want to be able to set this to be an action that is done, with the click of a button or under certain conditions, then I will show you how you do it that way. So for this first example, I'm going to just show allow inline editing. So on this on-click action, once they click it, I'm allowing inline editing, and I added that by going to the plus sign, going to element interactivity, choose table interactivity, and now you can select the action. So I chose allow inline edit. I chose the Power Table. You can also just choose individual columns, and you can do multiple. So if you only want them to be able to change the account name and the account type, then you would do it this way. Give it a tag. Cool. And then we can click apply. And so that that action overrides any of your settings that you have allowed here. So you don't have to allow it here for it to work as an action. The actions override the Power Table settings. So let me show you this now. So now whenever they click, they can't edit it now. There's no way to edit it. But when they click the button, now they are able to edit it. And they can only edit these two columns because I did not enable the entire table. So let me show you how you would disable under certain conditions. So I'm actually going to just get rid of this button altogether. And we're going to make this table, I'm going to allow inline editing for all of these by going to edit mapping in the content. And I'm going to allow edit for all of these columns. But then I'm going to set a page condition. So this is page 2. And I'm going to configure the actions here. So I'm going to do a condition that if current device equals if it equals a mobile device, then we will go to interactivity, go to table, enable this, and we're going to disallow inline editing. So the rule is basically like if the user is on their phone, I'm not going to let them edit this. And my made up reason is that maybe on a phone it's too small, so I don't want them editing it. But for any reason, maybe for a certain user you don't want them editing, or if in the previous page they said that they were a child and you don't want them to edit something, whatever you need. If you ever need to disable the inline editing, this is how you would do it. So here's where you will disable it. So I'm just going to disable the entire Power Table, and I'm just going to choose Power Table. Apply, 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 save, and now I'm going to preview this. And the device right now is large. I think that it's supposed to be small, SM. I believe that's right. Okay. That was not right. So let me just do this. So what we do is we go to this one. Cool. We'll just resize this a little bit. and then save it. And let me just check those conditions real quick, make sure they're all right. Page 2, configure actions. Conditions was that if current device equals mobile device, then interactivity, table, disallow, interact. Yep. All right, so it's all good. Let's save and then preview it as a mobile device. Yeah, I got that wrong. So it was extra small as the right one. So now you can see that I cannot inline edit this because this is a mobile device and the condition was met. So that is how you enable or disable a table inline editing through that table interactivity setting. So hope this video helped and thank you for watching.